to visualise and negotiate the Scotswood Bridge Junction from different directions. Look left, indicate left, leaving at the left lane, and make progress up the road. Check your mirrors. Our destination is the A695 to Newcastle. The road sign clearly says the left-hand lane on approach. As we approach the double roundabout, the road markings say Newcastle A695. The sign says right-hand turn at the second roundabout, A695, in the left lane. Look right, blind spot, indicate right. Unusual, you'd normally indicate left coming off a roundabout, but we need to aim for the middle lane, A695 Newcastle, confirmed by the road markings. On approach to the roundabout, look to your right, and if it's safe to proceed indicating right in the left-hand lane. Look left, indicate left, and make progress up the road. We're going over the Scotswood Bridge. And the road is confirmed when we come under the gantry. Newcastle A695. Continue to indicate left until the road splits. On this occasion, approaching the bridge, our intention is to turn left at the other side of the bridge, the A1 signposted for Morpeth. Check your mirrors. Look to the left. Indicate. Blind spot. If it's safe, move into the left lane and make progress. Turning off the bank, on the right hand side, the sign says it's becoming 2 lanes. As we get to the split point, check your right blind spot. And at this point we'll decide which direction we're going to go. The other option is following the A695 to Newcastle. As we're approaching the bridge, we intend to stay in the right-hand lane, so we're going to indicate to let traffic emerging from the left know that we intend to stay in the right-hand lane. Better to be safe than sorry. Careful going around the bend. And as you start to join Scotswood Road, another sign reminds us that we're being joined from the lane on the right. So check your blind spot. And let's make progress up Scotswood Road. To finish off this tutorial, we'll be approaching Scotswood Bridge from the Newburn direction. So as we approach the major roundabout, we're following the A695. There are two options to the A695. Remember, given the choice, left one is generally the best one. Continuing to follow the A695, we're adopting the middle lane, turning right. This is a spiral roundabout. As we make progress, we'll spiral into the left-hand lane. Making progress, we're going to move into the right hand lane to turn right over the Scotswood Bridge. Mirrors, blind spot, signal. Moving over into the right hand lane, approaching the roundabout. Look right. Look left, indicate left, make progress at the bank, moving into the left-hand lane, mirror, blind spot, signal, moving across into the left-hand lane. And as we leave the bridge, we'll make progress towards the metro centre.